Right, so today I will be doing a mukbang review on the McDonald's triple cheeseburger. Yay! And some of you may wonder, why are you ringing the place where you always do it? Because I have just got this and I don't want it to fucking cool down. Let's get into the video. That's just pretty alright. I fucking had all my stuff, yeah? She did fork and gave me fries. Fucking pissed off about that. I'll have like a intro to the videos, you know, to make it more interesting, but I'm not sure like what app to do it on, you get me? So if you've got any like suggestions, just leave them in the comments below, you get me? Yeah, leave it in the comments below, you get me? Probably in like late October, early November time, I'm going to be doing a special mukbang review because it's my birthday, you get me? The burger tastes actually too meaty, so it's, yeah. If they've changed the recipe on the burger, I'm gonna be fucking pissed because it don't taste like it normally does. And I'm keeping my phone on my knee and on the dashboard thingy, so that's how it's you know, sort of wobbly. This sounds actually very nice. It's a banana milkshake. Now on to the Oreo McFlurry. Just like this container. I miss your ones with like had a plastic thing on the top, you get me? No, I'm not had this in like ages, so I won't know if it's changed or not. God, it still tastes the same. Oh, God. Just scratch my foot. Well, not my foot, my ankle, it's all, I think. The burger tastes too meaty. I'm not complaining as that. Yeah. It tastes how it normally tasted. This is nice. The banana milkshake is bare nice. Bare nice. Bare nice. Jesus. Speaking fucking foreign language. Not that I'm complaining. Yeah, that was my mukbang review on the McDonald's triple cheeseburger. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like below and subscribe. It really helps me on the channel, and see you later.